it's cold outside, it tingles in my heart. Breathing air that clears my mind, I'm all for a good start. I hear those jingle bells, people singing about love. It feels like I'm a kid.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Adira in case you guys are new here, and today I'm going to be showing you guys part 2 of my holiday clean with me video. So for this part 2, my focus is all on the main floor. I'm going to be tackling the living room, the dining room, and partially the kitchen because it was pretty much already clean, so I just wiped down and picked up here and there. I didn't really do too much. So I feel like I constantly have to clean the main floor because this is where we spend most of our time. I honestly cannot stand when the main level is dirty or just like a dirty space overall. I feel like whenever the house is dirty, I just get very stressed. I literally cannot function at all in a dirty space, and it literally will just drive me insane. But you know, sometimes there are those days where you're just extremely busy, especially with me going to work and going to school and stuff like that. I just feel like I never have time for anything. So yeah, sometimes a messy house will just have to do for the day, and I just have to kind of work with the mess. And you would think that we're not messy people since it's just the two of us living here, but we can be pretty messy, especially just getting out of work and throwing your stuff everywhere. I do try to pick up whenever I'm not doing a full clean because if I never pick up, the mess would just keep piling up. So I try to do little cleanings here and there throughout the week, and then once a week I will do more like a deep clean in a way.
A reason to hang around and celebrate this day. Everyone's smiling and it's snowing. It's the time of year again. I'm happy you're here, my winter wonderland. Oh, my winter wonderland. Oh.
I've also been getting a lot better with the junk mail. I usually let it pile up on the console table, but now as it's coming in, I'm getting rid of whatever isn't important and keeping whatever is important. Also, has anyone been pushing off the Christmas shopping? This is the first year I have left it to the last minute, and I don't know what it is, but I feel so lazy and just unmotivated. It honestly doesn't even feel like Christmas is almost here. I feel like this whole year just went by so freaking fast. I literally blinked and the year is pretty much done. We had just had breakfast, so the table was looking real crusty, and you can tell we had pancakes because of the syrup. So now that I've cleaned upstairs, I don't even do any work in the kitchen anymore. I literally have my moments. Some days I'll go without touching the office and doing all my work on the kitchen table, and other days I'll go weeks with being in the office and doing all my work in there. I can never choose, but I am getting ready to start finishing off the office. I want to add some paintings on the wall and definitely some curtains because every time I come in, I feel like people can watch me because there's no blinds and no curtains. There's actually no blinds in any room of this house, so we're getting ready to add some blinds to at least some of the rooms.
So blessed that I can be with you, 'cause God knows that I've been longing for you. I just wanna hold you close. You know the stars are shining just for you. Let's take a walk and we can follow the moonlight till we reach a place we can stay. Maybe kiss a bit and dream away. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh, 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 ooh.
So what I've been doing lately is waiting until I'm done with the whole cleaning to vacuum. Usually I'll clean the living room, then vacuum and move on to the next room and then vacuum. So now I wait until I'm done with everything to vacuum altogether. I feel like it's faster this way, especially when it comes to recording yourself cleaning because I don't have to keep moving the tripod that much, so it saves me so much time. So do you guys vacuum a certain way or do you guys just vacuum like randomly? Because I feel like I personally, when I vacuum, I have to vacuum a certain way because the lines just have to like go a certain way. But my boyfriend, on the other hand, whenever he vacuums, he kind of just like goes all over the place. So then when you walk into the living room, there's lines everywhere, and that really like bugs me. So then I have to vacuum again in order for the lines to kind of be more even. I don't know if anybody feels that way, but I just feel like it's so silly for me to feel this way. I just get very like anxious in a way that the lines aren't all like going the same way.
But as long as you're around, everything will be okay. 'Cause all I wanna do is spend this holiday with you. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you.
Guys, I was so freaking close to getting the Dyson vacuum for Black Friday. So I had a coupon for $20 off and the total would have been like $300 or like 310 or something like that when it's usually like $360 I want to say. But when I was getting ready to check out, it was sold out. I was so freaking upset. I tried like three Bed Bath and Beyonds that are near my area and they were all sold out there, and even one that's like about 30 minutes away, and it was sold out. I was just so upset, and I've just been pushing it off ever since just to get it because I still have the $20 off coupon, but it doesn't expire until like the 1st of January, so I can still get a decent deal on it. But I was just like so upset, and I, like I said, I've just been pushing it off just to see if there's some like after Christmas sales or something that go on.
Myself in a cabin out of nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything to be perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me.
Since the kitchen had already been cleaned for the most part, I just put the dishes away and wiped down the counters and made sure that the jackets were put away because, like I mentioned earlier, we always come in through the back door. And when we take our jackets off and our shoes off, we just leave them in the kitchen. And I think that's why the kitchen always looks dirty for the most part because there's stuff that really shouldn't be in there. Because once I put the jackets away and stuff, it looks so much cleaner.
Let's go outside. The snow is falling down, and every child is having so much fun. The snowman is twice the size as me, with a smile as quirky as mine. We're holding hands to keep each other warm while we stand and watch a choir performing all the Christmas songs that we love. Yeah, all the Christmas songs that we love. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you.
And lastly, I made sure the sink was cleaned. I actually have to go out and buy cleaning products because I'm slowly starting to run out of everything. And I think we're going to end up shutting down here in Maryland again. And I want to be prepared for that as well, just in case, because I remember when we first shut down, we started running out of toilet paper. And when we went out to the stores, we couldn't find any toilet paper or any like cleaning products. And then we went to Target and we took the last roll of toilet paper thing that they had. And yeah, so I just know people are going to start going crazy again. And you know, with the holiday season, there tends to be a lot of people at the stores during this time doing Christmas shopping, and definitely doing like so many like last minute Christmas shopping, and I definitely want to avoid that as well.
Christmas moment will fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you.
And that's going to be it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this part 2 of this holiday clean with me. Don't forget to like this video and also subscribe to my channel. I do post every Sunday. Also, I'm going to start uploading twice a week instead of once a week. I'm like crossing my fingers. So let me know any other videos you guys would like to see from me. It probably won't start until the new year. That's kind of like my New Year's resolution. So yeah, I will see you guys next Sunday. Bye guys.